channel. This is Shivi here, and I hope you guys would have been keeping well. So today's video is going to be doing a look from the scratch, which is wearing a lehenga outfit. I think wearing lehenga is so nice. It is too much fun, and it kind of gives me a lot of satisfaction when I wear a lehenga. I know it's very difficult to carry a lehenga, but I just love wearing them. So yeah, you're gonna see the happiness on my face all throughout the video. And without further ado, let's kickstart for today's video. But before that guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then I really want you guys to do that, and please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I post a video. And now we should not delay this and get quickly into the video. Now let's begin with our makeup guys. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply some concealer. So today I'm using the Faces Canada concealer, and this one is nice and very blendable. I'm going to use a brush, a concealer brush, and then I'm going to conceal everything around my eye area. So this includes my eyelids, this includes my under eye area, this includes my brow bone. So I'm going to cover everything up. Now I would be going over with a quick foundation routine. Now today I'm using my favorite foundation, which I have been using for a long time now, which is from Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. So I'm going to quickly do it all over my face. I'm using a sponge today so that everything blends in quickly. Now next we are going to move over to our bronzer. So I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, and this one is nice and it really appears on my skin. I don't remember the shade, so I'm going to obviously link it in the description box down below. Do check it guys. And next I will be moving on to my blush. So this one is from again Faces Canada. I suppose I've already talked about it in one of my videos, so just click on the eye link above and you will be able to see that. Now this blush is super blendable and it has a very nice payoff. It looks super great, adorable and nice on your skin, so I love it. Nice color. Now next I will be moving on to my eye makeup. So this is the most important part, and for today's video I'm going to do a very nice soft smoky eye look. So it's not very hard, it's very soft. So I'm going to apply a brown shade, and then I'm going to go over with the black shade in my palette. Now I'm using a very precise brush for this purpose. This is actually the eyeliner brush, and then I'm going to draw strokes of this eyeshadow over my upper lash line, and you have to be very precise for this purpose. But the best part of using an eyeshadow as an eyeliner is you can actually work around things, and if anything goes wrong you can literally just wipe it off very quickly. So I think it's very easy to work with eyeshadow. And next I'm going to use a darker brown shade only on the outer corner of my eyes, and there you go, we are done with our eye makeup look. Now the next step that I would be doing is to apply some mascara, which is very important. So I'm going to use this Max Phonetic mascara from Wet n Wild. Absolutely gorgeous, and the price is also not too much. Obviously go to the link in the description down below and you will find everything over there. Now this one is the liquid highlighter, which I got from Nykaa. I suppose the name is Strobe and Glow. Again, I don't know, I may be wrong about the name, so I'll just link it down. But this has a very nice payoff again, and the highlighter is great. I've just applied my lipstick and we are done with our makeup look, and now we will be moving forward with our lehenga outfit. So I've got this pastel color lehenga outfit and I absolutely love this one. Actually I've worn this outfit too many times, but this is the first time I'm showing you guys. So this is something you can actually wear during the daytime as well, and also at the night time, and the makeup is perfect, so day and night as everything is covered. So yeah, this is the entire look guys. I hope you guys would have enjoyed it. Please do leave your comments and like and share this video if you loved it, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video tutorial very soon. Love you guys. Bye.